I'm not sure if you guys can relate to it, but I often find myself regretting on a day off when I've spent the whole day kind of sleeping or just scrolling through the phone. It kind of makes you feel so counterproductive and so disconnected from yourself until I found this holy grail of a morning routine.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a morning routine / monthly reset. Here is where I'm actually going to check where am I with my goals, what are the steps that I've taken, and is it working for me or no. This is essentially a day off for me, so I'm going to practice slow productivity, romanticize life, and kind of take it slow and wind down so that I am ready for success the next day. If something like this interests you, then this video is for you.
When I was living solo, YouTube had come to my rescue. Questions like easy meal ideas, how to groom yourself, how to look presentable, self-care, self-love, all of these things were so new. And YouTube had helped me out that time. Feel like my time to give back to the community. So I started making videos on YouTube on these topics. So if you need help on similar things or just need a community or just a friend to go to, then subscribe my channel.
Guys, I've just woken up. I had my ginger tea and now I'm drinking my probiotics. This is usually my usual routine that I do in the morning. The first thing that I do is kind of chug in a lot of water as much as I can, and I try to flavor it with different things. But when I'm close to my periods, I try to have ginger tea. I think it helps me soothe cramps and everything. That's something that I've done out of the way. I washed my face, applied my sunscreen, did a little bit of skincare, and now we are here drinking this probiotic water. I use these small sachets from Goodbug. I'll put it somewhere on the screen right here. I've been taking it around 6 months now and I feel like it's been helping me a lot. Definitely love this. I take the metabolically lean one. You guys know what I'm craving for? I'm craving for like a good chumpy. I feel like it's been so long since I have kind of put oil in my hair and did like a nice chumpy and feel all pampered and nice. So I think I'm going to do that after finishing my water, and then we'll go make some breakfast. You know, keep the oil for some time in my hair and then maybe I can have bath. Maybe that's the plan. Not sure what I'm going to do, but now I'm going to just sit and enjoy this water. On a usual day, what I do is I wake up, I have my water, and then I go for my workout. But on my off days, I prefer to go for workout maybe later in the day. Done drinking my water, let's go make some breakfast. So guys, we are in my kitchen right now as I'm thinking some eggs and toast. I'll maybe add some veggies in the eggs, and then I'm also going to make some chai. So let's go. So guys, I'm ready with my amazing breakfast. Please ignore my hair. It's looking very bad because it's like a day 3 or day 4 hair. I feel like my breakfast is looking really good and I can't wait to dig in. It's good. You all should definitely try this. It's a very simple recipe and takes just 15 minutes to kind of get it together. But did I watch some Gossip Girl while I was having breakfast? Well, little bit. Yes, I did. Oh my god, it was so much fun and my breakfast was so yummy. I can't tell you how amazing it was. Guys, take my word for it, it is so good. So guys, I have finished having my breakfast and I did some cleaning that was left in the kitchen, the mess that I made when I was making breakfast, and now it's time to actually do some journaling. This is something that I feel is very helpful because it allows me to kind of clear my thoughts and everything. But today I'm going to do like a very smaller version of it and write down how I feel for the day. And before all of these things, I think the first thing that I want to do is actually apply some oil on my hair. I've been craving a good chumpy since a long time, so let's do that first. Simple Bajaj almond oil. I'm going to apply some oil. What I do is I just section my hair a little bit, oil on these sections, and then kind of massage my hair. I love a good chumpy, you guys. Massage the hair, so good. So guys, we are ready to journal now. I have already applied oil on my hair and that's why I'm looking so greasy, but at the same time I'm feeling really good and relaxed. So this is such a great feeling. You
you guys need to try this. Oil your hair every once a week. It's going to be something that you're going to thank yourself for. Okay, so I have my journal here. I am just going to sit and journal, write a few things that I feel about today, and then I am going to practice some gratitude, and that's all. That's the plan. You guys, what I do is basically I make sure that I write the date on my journal entries so that whenever I want to like go revisit, I'm in a better place to kind of understand what happened on those particular days. Basically, I will go back and I will read my journal entries, and when I read all of that, and I just felt like, oh my god, this was the real reason why I started all of it all the first place. This is why I am actually going through so much of hustle, and it's totally worth it. This is my goal. This is where I want to reach, and it just made me feel really, really nice. And I felt like, okay, I have kind of gathered more energy to kind of sit and work on the things that I really wanted to. So yeah, having these entries like that organized date wise just helps so much. Can maybe help you when you are kind of stuck somewhere.
So guys, I've finished doing my journal and it feels so good. Now it's time to finally go back and check on the goals and see what is the progress. By the way guys, I did a reset video recently about going back and doing kind of a live audit to understand as to where you are with your goals. If you've not checked that video out, I will put the link somewhere here. You should definitely go check that out. There I talk about resetting for success. So you guys, I am ready with my vision board, and I usually use GoodNotes to kind of make like a vision board, do my to-dos and everything. It's very convenient. Can actually have my vision board on my phone and everything and edit whatever that I want to do. So cool. I have my vision board in place and I'm looking at it right now. There are a lot of aspects of it which I've already been covering on point. When it comes to grooming, I think I am focusing well on eating healthy and stuff. Also, I have been focusing on YouTube. Also, I have these two books, this one and this one, that I have started reading. What I do is I make sure that I have at least 15 minutes to read the self-help book that I have, and then before sleeping in the night I make sure that I read at least one chapter or at least 4 to 5 pages of this particular book. So I have been on point with reading. I think the major issue that I was facing was with workouts and kind of trying to be regular with my workouts, and I feel that is also that I have been working on. I have at least made sure that I have at least 4 to 5 workout sessions in the whole week. If you guys have seen my weekly vlog, which I will link right here, I have done like a journaling session there as well. So I think creativity wise also I have been on point. And guys, I have finally also tried to do this. So basically you guys know that I always wanted a good mic, so I have made sure that I did my research, saved up for a month, and now I think I'm going to finally get a mic. So I'm very excited. Coming to my secondary vision board, which is more based on health and more based on physical goals, making myself a priority. I feel like I have been doing everything else. The fun part is, if you've seen my breakfast today, I feel like it was looking exactly like this. So I am very happy that I am doing a little bit of everything, and I am happy with the pace with which I am working towards my goals. I think the next step should be, what are the things that could help me take my goals to the next level now. So that is what we are going to do now. Let's just go to a fresh page and see what are the things that we are going to tackle in August. So guys, we are on August. I am ready to plan this month. I feel like I'm on a good track and I've been doing everything that I aimed at doing. At least I think the last month was all about starting everything, kind of getting on track with everything, kind of getting habituated with everything. But now this month is supposed to be a month where I kind of take it forward to a place where I feel like, okay, I am leveling up my game so that I can achieve everything that I want to. So I would say focus this month is level up. Just to make everything look nice and pretty, I would want to put something which is a little more motivating. So I'm just putting this cute sticker here which says I have got this, and I love the way the sticker looks. Priorities for me this month is basically staying on top of the health goals. I think the next thing that I want to be on track is basically YouTube. So I want to make sure that I have my YouTube in place. I make sure that I want to kind of give enough time to YouTube. So the thing that I want to do, apart from obviously when I have health goals in place, there is food as well as there is workout. Both really I have not been able to take out time for learning anything. So I want to make sure that learning is one of my agendas. Learning a skill. Now there are certain things that I have been really interested into, like I want to learn using Procreate a little bit more in depth. I would also want to learn art of meditation. So these are the few things that I have my eyes on. Deadlines and important dates, I would say this, but something that I want to make sure doing this month is actually upload 4 YouTube videos. Out of 30 days in a month, I want to have at least like 25 days of good healthy meals that I'm eating. One more thing that I've been trying to do really hard is trying to wake up at 5:30. So I'm going to give myself a deadline by 15th of August. I want to give myself a deadline of at least that I woke up one full week at 5:30. One full week of 5:30. Is it too much? But no, I will make sure that I do like 1 week. What I'm going to do is I'm also going to write the name of the books that I'm reading. So the skills that I said that I wanted to add to my arsenal would be, I think the first thing that I want to actually focus on would be Procreate. Feel like I have lost touch. Yeah, that's something that I'm really very much interested in. So I would make sure that I focus on Procreate and try to finish at least one of these books that I have been, wanting to read. On the notes section, I would just like to write something which is like motivating. So I'll just say, just keep at it. Very proud. Now I am quickly just going to decorate just so that it looks good. I have got everything straight. Things that I really want to focus on, I have all of that in place. I'm feeling so good, honestly. I've just written down like August is my month here on my vision board. I am done planning this month for myself. I have got this and I want to be the energy that I attract. So the first thing on the list is basically learn Procreate, but before that I need a yummy drink that I can sit with. So let's go make that and then learn Procreate. Cute little drink, and I'm ready to do like a work block. Sorry for a minute there, I just got busy in drinking my amazing drink. This is a lemon blueberry drink with just water in it, and it looks so fancy, and I think this is a great way to actually incorporate more water. So now that I have that out of the way, now I'm ready to learn Procreate, and for that I'm going to use Skillshare. I have a subscription for Skillshare which I had got like a year back. So I have found this session on Procreate, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like a 45-minute learning session on this platform and be right back.
The colors of their brand, this is where you would put in the specific.
Hey you guys, so I am done with my 45 minutes of Procreate session. Things about Procreate that I completed, remember I skipped through that and I then moved forward just so that I have like this is more about brushing my skills on Procreate. Now just before ending my morning routine, since this is a morning routine video I think, and before starting work, what I want to do is kind of go have bath and get ready and everything. That's something that I want to do. Wow, I'm really loving this shade.